Today, I'll walk you through how to create an API token in Cloudflare, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to generate an API token so you can securely connect your accounting tool to Cloudflare for billing access. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to Cloudflare. This is the starting point for accessing your Cloudflare account. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button in the upper right corner and click on it. If you're not yet signed in, simply enter your email address and password, then select Login. After logging in, you'll want to access your profile. To do this, click on your profile icon located in the upper right corner of the dashboard. This is where you can manage your account settings. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Profile. This will take you to your profile settings where you can manage API tokens. Now click on the API tokens option. This is where you'll create and manage your tokens. To create a new token, click on the Create Token button. This will initiate the process of generating your new API token. You'll then see an option to get started with a custom token. Look for the Get Started button and click on it. Now it's time to name your token. Enter a descriptive name such as Accounting Tool Billing Access. This helps you remember the purpose of the token later on. Next, we need to set the permissions for this token. Since our goal is to view billing information without making any changes, we will proceed to add the necessary permissions. Click on Account to set the permissions for your token. This will allow you to specify which aspects of your account the token can access. Following that, click on Billing. This is where you will grant access specifically to billing information. Lastly, select Read. This ensures that the token only has read access to your billing details. Now you'll want to choose your desired account for the token. Click on the account you want to associate with this token. After that, click on Continue to Summary. This will take you to a summary page where you can review your settings. Finally, click on Create Token to generate your API token. This completes the token creation process. Once the token is generated, make sure to copy it and save it securely. Cloudflare only displays the complete token once, so it's essential to copy it before leaving the page. And there you have it. You've successfully created an API token in Cloudflare. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.